How to use the barcode feature in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. From the Page Setup panel, set the machine feed type, cutting mat, and media size. Step 2. Create your design or load your design into the mat. Step 3. In the Page Setup panel, go to the third tab that says Registration Marks. Step 4. Under the Barcode section, check the box that says Enable Barcode on this design. Step 5. This will create a local copy of the design on your computer and a barcode will appear on the side of the design. Step 6. If you wish to cut the same design from a different computer later, check the Share Barcode box option. Step 7. If you wish to save a copy of the design and the barcode to the library, check the box that says Backup Barcode to Library Account. Step 8. Now, adjust the design as necessary. Step 9. Once you're happy with the design, go to the Send panel and set up your cut settings. Step 10. Once done, click the printer icon in the top toolbar and click Print in the pop-up window. Step 11. In the new Print dialog box, select your printer and click Preferences. Step 12. Check the document size, print quality, and the remaining settings, then click OK and click Print. Step 13. The file information will be saved to the computer and cloud if shared. Step 14. While it's printing, open a new page by clicking on the plus icon on the top left side of the screen next to the current page. Step 15. Or you can close and reopen Silhouette Studio. Step 16. Once it reopens or the new page loads, go to the Send panel. Step 17. To use the barcode, you do not need to have the design open, but you need to ensure that the mat selection matches. Step 18. Line up and place the printed design on the mat and load it into your Silhouette machine. Step 19. Go to the bottom of the screen and click the barcode located next to the Send button. Step 20. If you're using Auto Sheet Feeder, set the number of copies to the number of printouts you've loaded, then click the barcode. Step 21. The machine will then read the barcode and cut the design based on the cut settings you've selected. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.